Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some creamy jerk pork pasta. And here are my little itty bitty ingredients that I will be using, and here is my leftover jerk pork. But first, let's put the pasta to boil. So I'm using some vegetable stock. You can use water alone if you want. And of course, I pour in my panini pasta. I use half of the pack that I had. So cook any amount of pasta that you want, right? I added some more hot water to that. And by the way, the vegetable stock was warm. And here I added some olive oil so that when the pasta cook, it don't really stick together. So put that to boil. Follow the instruction on the package, right? Cook it al dente, by the way. So it's not supposed to be soft. So while that's boiling, here is my leftover jerk pork. So basically, me I take man and make like a fashion, right? The jerk pork, we've been eating it for a couple of days, and here I'm just using the leftover to make some pasta. I love me some pasta. So of course, I'm just cutting it up into cubes, little pieces. Do it however way, it really doesn't matter. Just cut it up so it can, juke on your fork, and yeah, it's gettable and chewable. So that's it, all done. So back to the pasta. Here it is now. It's nice and cooked, so it's not too soft. Nobody don't want no soft pasta in their pasta dish, right? So it's all done. Make sure you pour off the hot water and set it to cool. So here I'm adding my onion to my hot oil. So Vibe Sam, it's one whole onion, and here I added a tablespoon of minced garlic. And yeah, just saute those. So I did the onion until it's translucent, and then now I'm combining these, and then I'm going to leave it just for a little bit. So I left it for about 2 minutes. Then I added the green bell pepper and the red bell pepper or sweet pepper and some chopped scallion or green onion. So give that a little zhuzh and a jazz. Saute it a bit, do it until it's nice and a little bit soft. Here I'm adding some dried thyme. So if you don't have the dried thyme, then use the regular thyme. Maybe you want to take off the green part of it and leave out the stem, because you don't want the stem in your pasta, right? So just saute those a bit and leave it for about 2 minutes or so. So I added my chopped up pork, my diced up jerk pork. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And Vibe Summit is smelling so good. So good. And by the way, guess what? You can't use too much. Don't think it's too much onion and bell peppers and stuff. No. So what you're doing now, you're combining everything. You're getting all the flavor, gathering the flavor together. And Vibe Sam, it is smelling so good. So yeah, we're going to add our double cream. So double cream, whipping cream, heavy cream, any one of the cream. This is 600 ml because we want a lot of creaminess, right? So yeah, go ahead and stir that, combine it up, and when I give it a stir, then I'm going to leave it for about 3 or 4 minutes, not for long. Just basically bring it to a boil, right? And then so cover it, bring it to a boil. So I added some cream cheese. So this is 150 ml of cream cheese. So one of the whole container, the little small cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese container. So go ahead and give that a mix. By the way, the brand doesn't matter. Just get some cream cheese. It makes it extra creamy and rich and thick. And then you want to stir that up. So Vibe Sam, right here, you could add your seasoning. So I added some salt. I didn't add because I'm going to be adding some jerk seasoning and a little Lorry's seasoned salt. So here I'm adding the pasta And I won't be adding all of it at once. What I normally do is add, stir it up, and see, okay, it look like it can take some more of the pasta, right? So yes, stir that up. As I said, you could add the seasoning to the oh my goodness, to the cream cheese and double cream mixture before you add the pasta. But guess what, there's no one way of doing anything, right? I kind of like to taste and then add as I go along. So here I stir, and it could take some more pasta, so I'm adding a little bit more. So I'm gonna give that a stir, and of course I will be tasting it and see what I need. So here I'm adding a little bit of Lorry's seasoned salt, and then I was stirring it up, and then I said, no, let me add the jerk seasoning. So I added a little bit of the jerk seasoning because Vybz fam, listen, when you cook, please taste as you go along. You don't want to be done and then you taste the food and be like, oh, that not ready, right? No, we are not about that life. Our food has to be ready, has to be thoroughly seasoned. It just needed a little zhuzh, right? So yeah, now I'm going to be adding some black pepper, and then I'm going to cover it and give it only just about 2 to 3 minutes, not long, because I mean, tops 5. Don't do it for longer than 5 minutes. So here we are. So Vybz fam, here we have it all done, and I'm dishing it out, plating it up, and look at the steam and look at the niceness. Yes, 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 yes. So listen, if you're the type of person, but remember you see my jerk pork was really spicy. It was very hot. But if you want, you could add some, whether you want to cut up some scotch bonnet pepper, use some chili flakes, whatever, if you want to give it more kick, right? But yeah, mine was fine. So that's why I didn't add any more pepper other than the black pepper, because it was spicy, right? So yeah, Vybz, here we have it. It is all done. Some creamy jerk pasta. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. God bless you. And go follow me on Instagram. Thank you.